You are not, but you are not free to leave.
Why is that if I'm not under arrest?
We gotta make sure you're detained is what it's called. You're not free to leave. We're still questioning you.
Okay.
On the call that we got.
Okay.
When the deputy gets here, he'll explain why, okay?
Another deputy?
Yep.
Yeah, we're waiting on somebody else. Turn around, put your hands behind your back for a second.
Do I have a warrant?
Yes, you do. Turn around, put your hands behind. You're gonna get tased.
Why you got
You got a warrant. Put your hands behind your back.
What do I have a warrant for?
You're gonna get tased. Ah! Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands
behind your back.
Hands behind your back.
Bro, let me
Hands behind your back.
Hey, you might as well just stop now. Just stop now. Don't make it so bad on yourself. Come on, you're under arrest. Turn over. On your stomach. On your stomach. Put your hands on your back.
They are good. Summit 1 in custody. Summit 1 in custody. You didn't have to run, dude. Right? Good job. Thanks, guys.
Ready?
Yep. Ah, that thing is in my back. I think I pissed myself. Ah, hurt.
That's why you don't run.
Why y'all tase me twice?
I lost my camera somewhere.
Oh.
You can go back and grab it. Alright, I'm gonna take these out.
Ooh. I think I might have pissed a little bit.
That's what that stuff does, man.
Ah. Y'all tased me, what, 2-3 times? Ooh, oh.
Hang on.
Hey, y'all need to do some more running exercises.
No kidding, that's what I'm saying. I'm too old to be doing this crap.
You like to do it, obviously.
Alright, get him out.
Hey, no, I don't like to do it. Ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Search him again. I patted him down out there.
Hell yeah, I pissed.